Welcome to the Roam Tech channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up if you find this helpful. Today, we're diving into MiningRigRentals.com, a platform where you can rent or lease hashing power for cryptocurrency mining. This site offers a unique approach to mining, allowing users to participate without the substantial upfront investment of purchasing and maintaining their own hardware. Instead, you can rent mining power from individuals and companies around the globe, selecting specific algorithms and pools to target your desired cryptocurrency. This eliminates the hassles of electricity costs, cooling solutions, and hardware troubleshooting, making mining accessible to a wider audience. MiningRigRentals.com provides a marketplace where miners can list their available hash power and renters can browse through various offerings. The platform supports a variety of algorithms, catering to miners of various cryptocurrencies. Whether you're interested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, you're likely to find suitable hardware available for rent. The site offers detailed filtering options, enabling you to refine your search by algorithm, price, hash rate, and location. This level of granularity allows for precise control over your mining operations, optimizing your potential returns. One of the key advantages of using MiningRigRentals.com is the flexibility it provides. You can rent mining rigs for short periods or extended durations, allowing you to experiment with different coins and strategies without a long-term commitment. This pay-as-you-go model significantly lowers the barrier to entry for aspiring miners, making it an attractive option for those new to the crypto mining landscape. Furthermore, the platform handles the complexities of connecting to mining pools, simplifying the setup process and allowing you to focus on maximizing your profits. The website features comprehensive documentation and support resources, assisting users in navigating the platform and addressing any technical challenges. From detailed FAQs to active community forums, MiningRigRentals.com offers a robust support system designed to enhance the user experience. Additionally, the platform incorporates security measures to protect both renters and miners, ensuring a safe and transparent trading environment. This commitment to security fosters trust and promotes responsible mining practices within the community. So, if you're looking for a convenient and cost-effective way to get involved in cryptocurrency mining, MiningRigRentals.com is definitely worth exploring.